Can money fly into your Monese account? Let's find out. Ever dreamt of money magically appearing in your account? Maybe you're a freelancer expecting a client payment, or perhaps a friend owes you for that epic concert last weekend. Whatever the reason, receiving money should be a smooth and stress-free experience. But if you're new to Monese, you might be wondering, can I even receive money on this platform? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But like anything in life, there are a few things to keep in mind. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of receiving funds with Monese. How can money fly into my Monese nest? There are a couple of ways to receive money on Monese, each with its own advantages. Bank transfers. This is a classic and widely used method. Your friends, family, or employers can simply send money from their bank account to your unique Monese IBAN number. It's like sending any regular bank transfer, but with the added benefit of Monese's potentially faster processing times and competitive exchange rates. More on that later. Sending money request. This is a super convenient option, especially for casual transactions. With Monese, you can generate a shareable link or QR code that directs the sender straight to a payment page. All they need to do is enter the amount and hit send. No need to fiddle around with account numbers. Bonus tip, let's say you're splitting a restaurant bill with friends. Use the request money feature to quickly collect your share from everyone. No more awkward calculations or chasing people down for cash. Hold on, are there any fees involved? Monese prides itself on transparency, so let's talk fees. Receiving money within the Eurozone, SEPA transfers, is completely free. That means you can receive funds from your fellow Europeans without any hidden charges eating into your hard-earned cash. However, for transfers outside the Eurozone, there might be a small currency conversion fee. Monese always displays the fee up front before you confirm the transaction, so you'll never be hit with any surprises. Pro tip, if you frequently receive money from outside the Eurozone, consider opening a Monese multi-currency account. This nifty feature allows you to hold and manage different currencies in one place, potentially saving you money on conversion fees in the long run. How long does it take for the money to arrive? The million-dollar question. Well, maybe not literally. The speed of receiving money depends on a few factors. Transfer method. Bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days within the Eurozone and can take longer for transfers outside. Sender's bank. Some banks might have their own processing times that can add to the overall transfer duration. Here's a cool feature. Monese keeps you updated on the progress of your transfers. You'll receive handy notifications letting you know when the money is on its way and when it hits your account. No more refreshing your app every 5 minutes. Monese keeps you informed. International transfers. A few things to remember. If you're expecting funds from across the globe, here are a few things to keep in mind. Double-check your details. Ensure you provide the sender with your complete and accurate Monese IBAN number, including any specific bank codes required for international transfers. A tiny mistake can lead to delays or even failed transfers, so be extra careful. Know your limits. Monese has daily and monthly receiving limits in place to ensure the safety and security of your account. If you're expecting a large sum of money, it's always a good idea to contact Monese support beforehand to adjust your limits temporarily. Monese, more than just receiving money. While receiving money is a crucial aspect of any financial platform, Monese offers a whole lot more. Here are just a few perks you can enjoy. Spend and manage on the go. The Monese app allows you to easily manage your finances, track your spending, and even set budgets to stay on top of your financial goals. Instant notifications. Stay informed about your account activity with real-time notifications for every transaction. No more wondering where your money went. Security first. Monese prioritizes security with features like fingerprint or Face ID login and transaction verification. Your money is safe and sound. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more awesome content about getting the most out of your Monese experience.